Hey everyone, Brad Scott with Brad Scott Fitness here, and I'm going to show you what is in my fridge. So, let's see. I've got a boneless beef round roast, so pretty much roast beef. See that? I've got sockeye salmon fillets. Gotta have your blueberries. Got a container full of strawberries and blueberries here. And then eggs are a must for protein. Lots of protein. Usually I'll cook my eggs with 2 whole eggs and then the rest egg whites. Usually I have like 6 to 8 eggs per morning. And then what else we got in here? I've got Yoplait yogurts, salad, broccoli and carrot stir fry salad. We've got, what else is in here? Tons and tons of meat in here. As you can see, this whole fridge is just stocked full of meat. There's salmon. There's more chicken. These are all like ribeye steaks, roast beef, salmon fillets. That's all pretty much just chicken, steak, beef. And then here's a shot of the fridge. Yogurts, salsa, that's my roommate's though. More chicken, fillets, eggs, all the fruit down there, got all the lunch meats right here. So, if you want to be fit, you got to make sure that you're stocking your fridge full of healthy stuff. A lot of you guys probably don't eat that much meat, but I go crazy if I don't have meat. I don't know why. I just get like really antsy and feel weak. So when you're working out a lot, just make sure you stock your fridge full of protein, and yeah, it'll help you out a lot. And it'll get you the 6-pack, right? See you guys, have a good one. Oh, and remember to subscribe to my Facebook channel. It's Brad Scott Fitness at the end of facebook.com. So facebook.com/Brad Scott Fitness. See ya.